Suggestion none. These tiny grains pack a punch. Millets are the unsung heroes of the grain world, loaded with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Not only do they keep your tummy happy, but they also help in managing diabetes, reducing cholesterol, and boosting your immune system. Sounds like magic, right? But wait, there's more. Incorporating millets into your diet is as easy as swapping out your regular rice or wheat. Try millet porridge for breakfast or millet salad for lunch. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Don't forget, it's all about balance. Pair these super grains with plenty of veggies and lean proteins to create meals that are both nutritious and delicious. And hey, who said healthy eating can't be fun? If you enjoyed this nugget of wisdom, hit that subscribe button for more amazing tips. Like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.